Welcome viewers. The Third Circuit Court of Appeals recently declined to reconsider its decision upholding a requirement for voters to write dates on mail-in ballots in Pennsylvania, a crucial battleground state. This decision, coupled with subsequent rulings by Pennsylvania's Supreme Court, has sparked legal battles and stirred debate over voter rights and electoral integrity. According to reports by Daily Caller on Wednesday, May 1, 2024, in late March, the Third Circuit panel upheld the state's date requirement on mail-in ballots, asserting that it does not violate the Civil Rights Act. As we proceed with this video, please take out a minute of your precious time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates from us. Despite arguments to the contrary, the court maintained that correct dates on the outside envelopes of mail-in ballots are necessary for them to be counted. This decision has significant implications for future elections in Pennsylvania, a state poised to play a pivotal role in presidential and congressional races. U.S. District Judge Susan Paradise Baxter's earlier ruling in November, advocating for counting mail-in ballots without proper dates if received on time, was overridden by the appeals court. The court argued that the Civil Rights Act does not apply to ballot dates, focusing instead on the process of determining a voter's eligibility. Pennsylvania's Supreme Court further solidified the date requirement, unanimously ruling that ballots lacking a date on their return envelopes are invalid. This ruling, just days before the midterm elections, adds to the legal tumult surrounding ballot counting procedures in the state. The legal battle was instigated by the Republican National Committee, RNC, National Republican Congressional Committee, NRCC, and the Pennsylvania GOP, who sued the state over its plan to count undated and incorrectly mailed-in ballots. The Supreme Court's recent ruling nullified a prior decision by the Third U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, emphasizing the importance of adhering to established election laws. Acting Secretary of State Lee Chapman's directive to continue counting improper ballots, despite the Supreme Court's ruling, has further intensified the controversy. However, the Supreme Court's unequivocal stance that improperly returned ballots cannot be counted has been hailed as a victory for electoral integrity by Republicans. RNC Chairwoman Ronna McDaniel lauded the ruling as a triumph for the rule of law, asserting that incorrectly dated and undated mail ballots should not be counted. This sentiment was echoed by Jason Snead, the executive director of Honest Elections Project, who emphasized the importance of upholding legal requirements to prevent late and illegal voting. The ongoing legal saga surrounding ballot dates underscores the significance of clear and consistent electoral laws, particularly in battleground states like Pennsylvania. As the state braces for future elections, the resolution of these legal disputes will shape the landscape of voting rights and electoral processes, influencing outcomes at both the state and national levels. The rulings by the Third Circuit Court of Appeals in Pennsylvania's Supreme Court regarding the date requirement on mail-in ballots have ignited legal battles and stirred debate over voter rights and electoral integrity. As Pennsylvania emerges as a key battleground state, the resolution of these disputes will have far-reaching implications for future elections and the democratic process as a whole. What is your take on this video? Please kindly drop your comments and thanks for watching.